Meet the TYPHON TERROR 17 Pro Prestige Edition, a 4,000-pound mini excavator engineered for max power and all-weather comfort. Powered by an EPA-certified Kubota D902 engine and 2,610 psi hydraulics with smooth pilot control and dual auxiliary lines. Work comfortably 365 days a year inside the fully enclosed cabin with AC and heating, supported by durable rubber tracks for maximum traction. When it comes to job site versatility, 3 key attachments lead the charge. 1. The 600mm screen bucket instantly sifts soil, rocks, and debris right on site. 2. The hydraulic auger drills clean post holes and footings in seconds. 3. And the Pallet Fork converts your machine into a material handler for effortless lifting. But that's just the beginning. The complete 11-in-1 kit also includes quick coupler, 200mm narrow bucket, 500mm plain buckets, 600mm tilting bucket, hydraulic hammer, grapple, ripper, and rake. Max performance, 0 downtime, and 11 heavy-duty tools ready to tackle any contract. Invest in equipment that pays for itself.